Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to go make a B&T APC stock work on your Stribog that used to be a pistol but you recently got SBR approval for. I just wanted to make this video because I couldn't find a video or really instructions at all on how to go make this stock work. So I figured I'd just go make a video and do the legwork so that you don't need to do it yourself. You can just watch this. So what you're going to need in order to make the B&T APC stock work on a Stribog is you're going to need the SB tactical brace for the Stribog, obviously the B&T APC stock, then you're going to need a 5/32 hex key, a 5mm drill bit. So keep in mind this is a metric drill bit. I tried to do this with imperial bits and I did not have a size on hand that did fit, if there is a size that fit. But I used this 5mm drill bit, and this was the perfect size. Then you're just going to need some Loctite glue. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your 5/32 hex key and remove the screw from the top of your brace. After you remove that screw, you're going to separate this hinged adapter or mounting plate, whatever you want to call it, from your SB tactical brace. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your 5mm drill bit, put it in a drill, and then enlarge this hinge hole on the top of the stock with your drill. Then, after you have enlarged that, what you're going to do is you're going to take the hinge adapter from your SB tactical brace, and I might not be able to get it on with one hand, but it will fit. It just takes some wiggling. But you're going to go put your hinged adapter onto the stock. Then you're going to use the screw that you removed, and then screw it together. Then what you'll notice is when you first start screwing in this screw and it isn't very tight, the stock will pretty much hinge open on its own. However, once you get it considerably tight, then it won't open at all. So what you want to do is you want to get that sweet Goldilocks zone of where it takes a little bit of resistance to close it, but not a lot, and it's not swinging freely. Then once you get to that zone, what you're going to do is you're going to go use your Loctite glue to secure it in that, Goldilocks torque that you want on that screw. So guys, there you have it. That is how to make a B&T APC stock work on a Stribog. I hope that this helped.